a wide and a spacious living area जहाँ पर से काफ़ी अच्छा वॉकेबल डिस्टेंस है किचन एरिया का. This is a nice and a wide spacious master bedroom जहाँ पर आप देख. Hello everyone, welcome to Housey. Today in this video we'll be doing the sample flat tour of Shivani Rudram by Rudra Amar Group, located near Kala Hanuman Mandir, Kandivali West, Mumbai. As you can see, I'm standing at the actual location and behind is the sales office. Besides the sales office, on the behind side you can see our actual land parcel where construction is fully on swing. Now let's discuss about the project overview, but before that let me tell you what is Housey. Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyers directly with the developer, thereby giving you a bottom rate price. Unlike other current listing platforms whereby if you just do an inquiry, your number gets shared with multiple brokers, resulting in lots and lots of calls. Well, Housey is one such real estate platform where listing is done directly by the developer. So what are you waiting for? Book your dream home right now with your favorite developer through Housey. Let's discuss about the project overview. This project is constructed over 1.5 acres of land parcel having one tower. Each tower consisting of one level of the basement, ground plus one level of the commercial, 6 level of the podium plus 31 story residential floors having premium residencies of 1 and 2 BHK. Now let's discuss about the location and connectivity part. But उससे पहले मैं आपको बताना चाहूँगी जो पीछे वाला रोड है, that is MG Cross Road number 1. Let's discuss about the location and connectivity part. So this project is located near Kala Hanuman Mandir, Kandivali West, Mumbai. Talking about connectivity, Kandivali railway station is 800 meter. DMart is 1.8 kilometer. Dhanukarwadi metro station is 1.6 kilometer away from the project. Let's discuss about the amenities part. This project has 25 plus luxurious amenities with likes of swimming pool, gymnasium, senior citizen sit out area, kids play area, yoga deck and many more. Now we'll be checking out the sample flat of Shivani Rudram. Come on, let's come with me. अब हम चलते हैं हमारे सैम्पल फ्लैट टूर पर जो कि है 2 BHK 762 square feet carpet area. As I enter inside, I can see a very beautiful wide spacious place, that is the foyer area, जहाँ पर आप शूर एक अच्छे से प्लेस कर सकते हो. Moving forward, let me show you a wide and a spacious living area जहाँ पर सोफा प्लेस है, a center table, TV unit, AC unit, काफ़ी अच्छा वॉकेबल डिस्टेंस आपको मिलता है एंड दी अटैच बैल्कनी विच इज़ ऑल्सो वेरी वाइड स्पेशियस विद फ्रेंच ग्लासेस, ग्लास फसाद, गिविंग यू अ नाइस enjoyable time with your family members. Let me show you the wide and spacious dining area जो कि है काफ़ी अच्छा स्पेशियस. 5 to 6 people अच्छे से अपना मील टाइम एंजॉय कर सकते हैं. Showing you the kitchen area. Come forward with me. So as you enter, आप देख सकते हैं काफ़ी अच्छा वॉकेबल डिस्टेंस है किचन एरिया का. There's 2 parallel platforms giving you a nice look. Upper and lower cabinets आप अच्छे से डिज़ाइन कर सकते हो as per your requirement and choices. Showing you this space जो कि आप देख के काफ़ी हैप्पी हो जाएंगे. This is the space where आप अपनी वॉशिंग मशीन प्लेस कर सकते हो and giving you a wide and a spacious long storage area. Showing you this space also for the refrigerator जहाँ पर आपका रेफ्रिजरेटर अच्छे से प्लेस ऑन हो सकता है. Let me take you ahead to the common bedroom. Come. So this is a wide and a spacious common bedroom with the king size bed placed, showing you a nice walkable distance. Not only this, we have a nice wide space as you can see for the wardrobe. तो यहाँ पर आपकी सारे clothing and accessories अच्छे से प्लेस ऑन हो सकती है. Showing you the common washroom. Come on, let's come with me. So this is the common washroom on the left hand side with anti-skid tiling, CP-centric high-end fittings, rectified tiling, shower glass partition as part of the furnishing. अब हम चलते हैं हमारे मास्टर बेडरूम की ओर, बट बिफोर दैट लेट मी टेल यू व्हाट हाउसी प्रोवाइड्स यू. इट गिव्स यू एक्चुअल लोकेशन टूर, सैम्पल फ्लैट वीडियोस, प्रोज एंड कॉन्स ऑफ द प्रोजेक्ट, पेमेंट स्कीम्स, EMI schedule, 360-degree location tour, all these under one platform. So what are you waiting for? Register for free and schedule a site visit soon. Now let me take you forward to the master bedroom. So as I come inside, this is a nice and a wide spacious master bedroom जहाँ पर आप देख सकते हैं king size bed के बाद भी I have a very nice walkable distance. यहाँ पर आपको मिलता है a big niche wardrobe space to keep all your clothes and accessories. Now let me show you the attached washroom, which is also very wide and spacious with anti-skid tiling, CP-centric high-end fittings, shower glass partition, rectified tiling as part of the furnishing. So everyone, this was the entire sample flat tour of 2 BHK of Shivani Rudram by Rudra Amar Group, located near Kala Hanuman Mandir, Kandivali West, Mumbai. अगर आपको ऐसे बहुत सारे प्रोजेक्ट देखने हैं sample flat videos के या unboxing videos के, so do not forget to like, share, subscribe to Housey. Also, you can visit to the website www.housey.com. Or do not forget to click on the I button to have an entire details of the project. Also, you can download the e-brochure by the link given in the description box. Thank you so much.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.